In this video, I'll navigate you through the process of changing your age in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might need to change your age in Roblox to access age-restricted features or content. It can also be required to update your account settings for a more personalized experience. To begin, open your browser and log in to your Roblox account by visiting roblox.com on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Look at the top panel of the page, where you can see your username, account name, and profile icon. Right beside your username, your current age is displayed. If you wish to update this information, the first step is to click on the gear icon located next to your username. This will open a drop-down menu, from which you should select the Settings option. In the Settings section, you'll find a list of tabs. Look for the Personal tab, and there will be an Edit icon right above the Verify My Age button. Click on this Edit icon to make changes. You will now be able to update your birth date by selecting a new date from the calendar that appears. After you've selected the correct date, click the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll need to verify your age. To do this, click on the Verify My Age button. This will open a new window containing a QR code. To complete the verification, you will need a valid identification card and a smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and use your smartphone to scan the QR code. The process will guide you through submitting your ID for identity verification. Once all the steps are completed and your ID is verified, your age will be updated on your Roblox account. This process helps ensure that the information on your profile is accurate and up to date. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.